Hi, this is Fab Defense FCH. FCH is a little charging handle that you can put on your Glock. It replaces the back plate of the Glock. You install it and you can use the charging handle to charge your Glock. Here it is on the gun. Very simple installation. Makes it a lot easier to charge. Right hand or left. So both hands. Even if you want to do a one-hand operation, you can do it. Charge it on a desk or something. It's good for old people, people that have problems charging the Glock, women, kids. Relatively cheap, easy to install, and basically if you don't want it, you can wear it without. It would fit your holster, no modification, no nothing. Again, FCH Glock charging handle from Fab Defense.